Hey guys, Homeless Addicted here, and today we are building this awesome cobblestone castle. So we're going to start off with a grass piece that's 21 times 21 up in the air, or you could just do it on the grass. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill it all in, right? Okay, so from each corner we're going to count 1, 2, 3 diagonal and place a cobblestone. 1, 2, 3 diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, just like that. And then we're just going to do a 5 times 5 square. So in each corner, 5 times 5 like that. Easily done. 5 times 5 for this one. Just 5 times 5 of cobblestone in each corner, and it should look like that. 5 times 5. Super easy. Now we're going to raise them up 9 high. So we're just going to box it off 9 high. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then go across, box that off. Go across, box all that off. Make sure you watch the video first before you start building, so you don't make any mistakes, because I do take some blocks out and remove them for the simplicity of the tutorial. So as you can see, all the boxes 9 by 9. Awesome. Yeah. Wow! Whoa! What just happened? My video just stopped. Oh wait, that's the pause button. Woohoo! We found it. This little bit here, where my mouse is, see there's a video flashing here. That's the pause button. Whoa, it's play. Oh, and we paused it again. It's funny how that works. Now over here, see the mouse? It's moving. Follow it. I'll just move the box so you can find it. Look, see that? Hello, Mr. Mouse. I'm going over to this thing called settings. Oh, what's happening? Settings. There's a thing called speed. I wonder what that is. I click on it. Oh. 0.25. Let's go click on the video again. Whoa, what's happening here, people? This is intense. That's slow motion. It's like the Matrix or something. Let's do. So if any video ever goes too fast, we know where we need to go. Okay, on to the next step. Now, I'm going to fill them all in, but make sure you watch the whole video first, because I do remove blocks. So, I filled it all in for simplicity. Now, as you can see here, you can do a big archway like this, but I actually decided to go 3 high, diagonal in by 1, and then across the top 3. Look, easy as that. So, both sides, 3, 1, 3 over the top. Now, directly in the center, we're going to build this up 6 high. 6 is those things, and then 5 is the other part, the smaller part, because we've got the spikes coming up at the 2 left hand side and 1 in the middle, or 2 in the middle even, just like that. We're going to do that at the front and both sides. Super easy. Pause the video, slow motion. Now we're going to go across the top here, as you can see, with our cobblestone. We're going to put 2 up, and then round the back we're just going to fill that up, so we cover those gaps there, as you see. Perfect. Now we're on to the next step. So I'm counting 1, 2, so either side of the 5 corners. So 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll go all the way around, as you can see. 1, 2, 1, 2 high of the cobblestone. 1, 2 with the 5 gaps in between. And on top of each one of these, as you can see, going all the way around, we are going to grab some cobblestone stairs. Get your cobblestone stairs ready. We're going to put cobblestone stairs on top of them, facing towards the building. 1 cobblestone, see it going all the way around. Cobblestone, 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 like that. Perfect. So we're on to the next step. I do remove windows and get those little pillars at the top as well that we've got on the side pieces, like that. So remove all those, going around like that. So when you're building it up 9 high, just leave those gaps there. As you can see, we've got 3 there. Now what I do here is just fill in the gap here. You see on the same level, you can see where the level is. Just fill it all in with spruce, so we've got a top level. You can obviously poke some holes out and stuff like that, so you can get up into the top. Now here, as you can see, I knock 2 windows out, and then I put a stair, which makes that tiny little gap. Now as you can see here is different combinations that you could use in your castle. Now I'm not using all these, but as you can see, you could grab some of the concrete, kind of place it in like that. You could get some diorite and different stuff like that. But what I choose to do is get 3 stairs going down from the window and just place them in like that. Super simple. So I'll do it slow for you. We've got a stair already at the top of the window. Take 2 blocks out, put more stairs in like that, and it makes those 3 gaps with a little hole at the bottom where we can put some iron bars where it looks like it's got a bit of a basement. Obviously you can remove some holes on how to get into those turrets and stuff like that, because I don't do the interior and stuff like that. So you can find and discover different ways, but this is just a kind of unique little castle that's kind of quirky, it looks good, and it takes hardly any resources. So as you can see, I'm just going all the way around. So obviously watch the tutorial first before you do all that, so you can do different patterns, but I've decided 2 windows at the top, 3 cobblestone stairs going all the way down, and as you can see, looks pretty awesome. Now next step people, now you can get some iron bars going all the way down. You can have them in different patterns like this, but I've decided to go 2 rows, and then on the top of these turrets you can go like that, or you can remove some blocks and put some upside down stairs going like that, and it just gives it a little groove at the top. So yeah, you can do something like that, super easy. And then at the front you can get some stairs poking up and some stairs poking out, and then just add bush wherever you like. Now the bush is not necessary, you can put it wherever you like. And then on the inside I just put some spruce, add some grass going around, cobblestone going all the way around. You can add whatever you like, but as you can see, you're probably going to blend it into your own environment, maybe put a castle on a hill or a mountain or something like that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you slap a like on the video. Hopefully it was slow enough. Peace.